Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. I have a really quick 5-minute lower body workout for you. We're gonna need a resistance band. This workout is for today, so you don't have any time at all, but you still got 5 minutes. Okay, let's go. 3 exercises, 10 reps each one, 3 rounds in total. Let's go. Grab your band. Let me show you the exercises first. So the first one is basic deep squats. So feet wider than your hips, squatting down and squeeze glutes at the top. The second exercise is side lunge. Okay, so please make sure your knee does not move in front of your toes. So press your hips back. Let me show you that angle. Press your hips back. Okay, we're gonna be doing 10 reps each side. And the last exercise is gonna be climbs in squat position. So this time feet hip width distance apart, squat down, lift on your tippy toes and open and close for 10 reps. These 3 exercises, 10 reps each one, 3 rounds in total. Are you ready? Deep squats, let's go. Brilliant. And now the side lunges, 10 reps. Okay, switch sides. That's it. 10. Whew. Clams down, tippy toes. Here we go. Woo-hoo. And 10. Okay, from the top, 10 deep squats. Here we go. Woo, 10. Side lunges. Switch sides. 10. And the last round. Okay, last round. We're gonna make it for 5 minutes. We can finish this strong. Ah. Side lunges. And 10. 10 the other way. Last exercise, the planks. Okay, ready? And 10. Whew. A little bit less than 5 minutes, but we are done. We did it. Whew. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have 5 more minutes, please combine this workout with the previous one, the 5 minute for arms, upper body. Thank you so much for joining me. Be good, feel good, and stay active.